For my tray bake, I've got some butter and light brown soft sugar in a bowl. I'm just going to whisk those together till they're really nice and light and fluffy. I've got 3 eggs. I'm going to crack them in one at a time. Next, I've got some vanilla. About a teaspoon should do it. For the full recipe, just click on the link. Some melted dark chocolate, in that goes. And then just beat it in. Finally, I'm going to add some buttermilk. Now for the dry ingredients, I've got some self-raising flour. To that, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. The same of salt, and some cocoa powder. And we're just going to sieve in that mixture. And then just quite gently mix that together, just trying to ensure all the flour's incorporated. And then just level off the surface, pushing it into the corners. And then this needs to bake now for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's risen, cooked all the way through. So our cake is cooked and cooled, so it's time to ice it. I'm using this delicious salted caramel icing. You need about half a tub of it. And just with the back of the spoon, I'm going to spread it generously all over the surface. And you might find a small palette knife useful for creating little swirly patterns on the surface. And then to finish off, a little drizzle of melted chocolate. And just work quite quickly and randomly over the cake. All we need to do now is leave the tray bake to set a little, and then you can cut it into squares and serve. For more lovely recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.